Hello, it is my first task of English 2. The 10 questions. What is your full name? My name is Gladys Omaire Nostrosa Sepúlveda. How do you spell your full name? G L A D Y S O M A I R A. What is your email address? My email address is gladion@yahoo.es. Talk about your likes and dislikes. I like to pray. I like to prepare my class well. I do not like long meetings. I do not like to eat cold food. Describe the city you like currently. I live in Cajamarca, Tolima, near Ibagué, in my city. This is an agricultural town. The people are friendly and hardworking. Its climate is cold but pleasant. What do you like doing in your What do you like doing in your free time? In my free time, I like visiting. I do my university work. I love having a good time. I really love dedicating time to read books, spiritual books, and do my personal prayer. Talk about your favorite holiday. My favorite party is in December the 31 because I can enjoy family celebrations. I have time to rest and change my usual activities because I dedicate time for God and for family. Our schedule and space change. Everything is gratitude for the past and for what we expect. Talk about your favorite food. My favorite food is the fries accompanied by a Cuban sandwich and delicious lulo or maracuja juice. The citrus are my favorite for family parties. I prefer fresh salads and some meat. Talk about what you did yesterday. Yesterday I had breakfast. I was in class with my students. Then I helped a teacher to do job. I enjoyed lunch, and in the afternoon I went to visit some friends. In general, yesterday was a nice day, thank God. How many English speaking sessions must you complete during the semester? I must complete 6 English speaking sessions. Excuse me in my practicing. Thank you.